Ever wondered how to make a delectable Thai curry at home? Well, wonder no more. Today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to the heart of Thailand, right from your kitchen. Picture this, a bowl of steaming hot, fragrant Thai curry with a side of jasmine rice. The aroma of lemongrass, ginger, and coconut, a tantalizing mix that takes you straight to the bustling streets of Bangkok. Sounds inviting, doesn't it? Now imagine being able to recreate this dish with all its complex flavors and aromas right in your own kitchen. First things first, gather all the ingredients. The backbone of any Thai curry is the curry paste. For a homemade version, you'll need dried red chilies, shallots, garlic, lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime zest, coriander roots, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and shrimp paste. Don't fret if you can't find all of these. There's always store-bought curry paste as a backup. Now it's time to make the curry paste. Soak the dried red chilies in water until they are soft. Then, using a pestle and mortar, pound all the ingredients together until they form a smooth paste. The effort here is worth it. This paste is what gives the Thai curry its unique flavor. Next, heat some coconut milk in a pan until it starts to separate. Add the curry paste and stir it in, letting the flavors meld together. After a few minutes, add your protein of choice. This could be chicken, shrimp, tofu, or even a mix of vegetables. Once the protein is cooked, add more coconut milk, fish sauce, palm sugar, and a handful of torn kaffir lime leaves. Let it simmer gently until the curry is thick and aromatic. Adjust the seasoning to taste. You're looking for a balance between spicy, sweet, salty, and sour. Finally, serve the curry over steamed jasmine rice. Garnish with fresh Thai basil leaves and a squeeze of lime juice for an extra burst of flavor. And there you have it, a delicious homemade Thai curry that rivals any restaurant version. Remember, the key to a great Thai curry is in the balance of flavors, so don't be afraid to taste and adjust as you go along. In summary, making a Thai curry involves preparing a homemade curry paste, cooking it with coconut milk and your choice of protein, and seasoning it to perfection. The result is a dish that's bursting with flavor and sure to impress. So, the next time the craving for Thai curry strikes, don't reach for the takeout menu. Instead, head to the kitchen and whip up your own. It's easier than you think, and the rewards are well worth it. Cooking is all about experimentation, so feel free to play around with the recipe. Maybe add some pineapple for a sweet twist or throw in some bamboo shoots for extra crunch. The possibilities are endless. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, so enjoy the process and happy cooking.